What is charge bargaining in a criminal plea deal? Imagine facing criminal charges and wondering if there's a way to make the case easier. That's where charge bargaining comes into play. It's a common part of plea bargaining, which is a way to resolve criminal cases without going to trial. Charge bargaining happens when a defendant agrees to plead guilty to a charge that is less serious than the one originally filed by the prosecutor. For example, if someone is charged with a felony, they might agree to plead guilty to a misdemeanor instead. This means they accept responsibility for a smaller crime, which usually comes with lighter penalties. This type of negotiation is different from sentence bargaining. Sentence bargaining involves pleading guilty to the original charge but asking for a lighter sentence. Charge bargaining focuses on changing the actual charge itself, which can have a big impact on the defendant's record and future. From a defense point of view, charge bargaining can be a smart move. It helps avoid the risk of a harsher conviction and longer jail time. Defense lawyers often negotiate with prosecutors to get a less serious charge, especially if the evidence isn't strong or if the defendant has a clean record. People use charge bargaining for several reasons. It can help avoid a felony conviction, which might mean losing certain rights or facing higher penalties. It also reduces the stress, cost, and uncertainty of a trial. Plus, it can keep the criminal record less damaging, making it easier to find work or housing later. However, accepting a plea deal that involves charge bargaining isn't always simple. It means admitting guilt, which can still affect a person's life. It's important for defendants to understand what the reduced charge means and how it compares to going to trial. Defense attorneys play a key role in explaining these details so clients can make informed choices. In summary, charge bargaining is a negotiation where a defendant agrees to plead guilty to a less serious charge than the original. It's a common tool in plea deals that can lead to reduced penalties and a more manageable resolution. This process helps many avoid the risks and costs of a trial while still resolving the case.